Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So, we re-vlog for a third time, guys, no? So, this is the property. So, it's a big flat terrain. So, the big portion of the property is a big flat terrain. Then, this surroundings, this one is part of the property. So, actually, it's like secluded, guys. This is like a secluded property, but it has a road. There is a road, and this is the neighbor, no? It has the neighbors, their houses, no, outside of the property, approximately 50 meters away. So they are outside. So meaning it is not near. It is around 50 meters away. So these are the neighborhood, guys. The road, it's not big, but you can still access if you have your own car. So if you have your own car, you can still access, you can still drive. Yes, as you can see, there is a car, multi-cab. So water, there is a water line in this area, guys, no, supplied by the barangay, no. So actually you can dig also, or there's a water in the river. So this is part of the property on the other side. So this is already along the road. So it has already the road. So this flat terrain, then with the trees, then after to the trees, it's already the big flat terrain of the property. So as you can see, there is already a barangay road. According to the neighbor, it's already around 1 month ago. So there's really a road right of barangay. It is really along barangay road. So the distance from the highway is around let's say 3.5 kilometers. Honestly, that's like that, no? 3.5 kilometers. Medyo distansya, pero kasi yung papunta dito, guys, is parang from the big road going, because Barangay Uwak is the interior barangay connecting to Hagnak, Bohol. So parang ano to, dadaan ito shortcut kaysa babalik ka doon sa Luay. For example, from Bilar, Lubok, Luway, then papuntang Hagna. Ito ay direct na. May shortcut dyan, no? So, ito talaga, guys, mixed with rough and concrete road. Pero majority is concrete road. Di lang masyado kalakihan, guys. Pero, ma-access mo talaga. Tinitingnan ko dito kung saan talaga ang tubig, kasi sa primero kong pagpunta, hindi ko masyado makita kung saan sila kumuha ng tubig. So ito po yung talagang pwedeng mag-shortcut tayo doon sa property, makapasok tayo doon sa big flat terrain of the property, guys. So ito po yon. Pero sabi ni may-ari, kung diyan talaga tayo dadaan, pwede naman kukuha tayo ng road right of way, kasi sa kanila namang mga relatives yan. So, pinuntahan ko to muna yung guys, yung saan talaga sila kumuha ng water source. So, sabi ng babae, yan po, yan, may tubig talaga sila, no? Sabi nila, galing yan sa barangay. So, yan po. Then, going back, no, to the property, pinuntahan natin kasi may nagtatanong, di ba, babahain. It's not flood, di ba, maging flooding area. So ito po, pinuntahan natin doon kasi para maano talaga kung gaano talaga kaganda yung property natin binibenta. Kasi ito po ay just only around less than an hour from Tagbilaran City. At medyo maganda kasi nasa interior talaga tayo ng mga sa bundok talaga tayo, frankly speaking, at sa gitna. At maraming kahoy, guys. Maraming kahoy. Siyempre, pag umuulan, medyo iba ang climate, parang malamig, ganun. Tapos, paggabi dito guys, medyo malamig talaga kasi maraming kahoy nakapalibot. So, surrounded by trees. Then, tahimik, super tahimik ang location guys. Maririnig mo yung mga, minsan yung may mga ah, langgam o ibon. Ibon yan sa Tagalog, no? Langgam is Bisaya term. So, langgam, nagkamang pa na sa amo, guys. So, ibon. Ibon po, ibon. So, may mga ibon po dyan na ano. So, ito po yon, oh, yung sa motor. Tapos, nag-elevate diyan tayo dadaan, guys. Yon. Parang nag-elevated siya, tapos makita natin yung lupa. So, yan kaganda po ang property. So, kung may plano tayo, magbalak tayo magawa ng mga, for example, mga kubo-kubo for our tourist, maganda dyan, guys. May gusto kayong gawa ng parang business, gawa kayo ng swimming pool diyan sa loob. Kasi wala namang problema yung property. It's really a titled and private property, no? So, it's really a buildable area. So, yun po, kalaki, no? Para itong sikreto na parang hindi mo kuan, kasi hindi mo masyadong makita kasi parang nandyan ka sa gitna ng maraming kahoy. Pero ang laki naman ng lawak ng flat terrain. So, yun po ang maganda dito, no? At hindi masyadong malayo sa highway, guys. It's just only, let us say, 3 kilometers. It's just only around 5 minutes drive lang talaga, guys. So, super lapit lang, no? From the highway. Then, you can go to the other tourist destinations. Again, I say that Tarsier Viewing o Chocolate Hills, Lobok River Cruise. Kung magpunta ka doon after Lobok, doon ka sa Mirror of the World. Marami pang iba, guys, no? Kasi hindi talaga masyadong malayo. So, ito ay one of the best investment, guys, no? Lang natin, no? Kung mag-negotiate pa tayo, kung tingnan natin kasi sobrang mura naman ang property. It's 100 pesos per square meter lang. Kasi super mura talaga. Yan po ay lang yan. Shared lang po yan yung kubo ni farmer, tenant. So, may tenant talaga yan, guys, pero they are already organized. Then, sabi nila, wala na problema. Alis talaga sila dyan. So, ito po yung daanan papunta sa big road. Then, kasi medyo magliko lang tayo ng kaunti, tapos papunta sa property. So, ito po yun. Hindi masyadong malaki ang daanan, pero okay naman. Naman talaga. Magkasya naman talaga pag may ibang sasakyan sa iyo. So, hindi magkapareho, may malaki, may medyo develop na rin. Pero may mga portion talaga na po. So, ito po yon is the big road already. It's connecting to Hagna, Bohol, no? It's like a shortcut road. Then going to the national highway. So, malapit lang yung highway. Just around, ito po yung ang sentro ng Bilar, Bohol, guys, no? So, ito maganda po talaga yan, no? So, less than an hour from Tagbilaran City po, yon. Then, tulad din ng Panglao Island, beach kayo, maganda rin. Di masyadong malayo, guys. Okay. So, yun po. Kung sa school naman, may Bohol Island State University tayo dyan. So, mga private, meron din. So, mag-research na rin kayo sa Bilar, Bohol. So, maganda po dyan. So, okay, for inquiries, just contact me. And please subscribe our YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. So, kung guys, kung may property kayo na gustong ibenta, kontakin mo lang ako. Mag-share ka ng video at sa yung papilis mo. Para i-upload natin, baka makita naman sa ibang mga buyers, no? Basta legit lang talaga. Okay po. So, yun po. Maganda po talaga ang Bilar natin na property. Okay? So, again, maraming salamat po. So, ito po ang Bohol Island State University. Medyo hapon na. Yan po. College po yan. College school. Okay. May mga pulis na nakamonitor. Okay. Thank you again. Bye.